how often do you check up on your friend, and who should initiate conversations, dates, and outings? I need to know. Okay, I might not know exactly, like maybe the whole logistics around it, graduation but man bene idea
you are furthering your studies.
Yes, man bene idea. Then can on social media, then it's gonna be that thing kanene and then it's gonna be easy for me ukuthi ndikufonele ndithi congratulations.
Yeah.
But if ke ngoku khange undixelele nam ndizidlulela nje sana as if I don't see anything, because ndizawuthini mna ke shema I won't even like.
Yes. And my friend, bear in mind, I don't have kids, and the reason why I don't have kids is because I don't have afford kids. So and imagine now you wouldn't help a friend out. Let's say akumelanga ukuthi kuye kulo mall, but ikufutshane le ndawo kuyo, so ngeke uvele uvumbuke endlini uyokwenza loo nto.
Masithi Chomi, it depends ukuthi yintoni, matter of death and life le uyifuna.
So ndifuna isimo yami
ufuna i-ARVs.
Itsubna yami efix esemolini eseCangwa. Ndine-vacation
khangela abangani bakho.
Chomi, ndine-vacation ezayo. That's important to me, let alone i-ARVs.
Mna ndingajampa xa usithi Chomi nazi ii-reasons zam zojampa. I-ARVs zam andikwazi udefaulta into endingumtsi endingawutsiba ke lowo, because I know ukuthi this is important.
Yes.
Number 2, Chomi, yeyi i-72 hours iyaphela khawuleqise kwezaa pilisi. Ndingatsiba ke apho because I know